these wood crates at GoodWill all the time, and they're not too bad in price. The Melissa and Doug one was about 99 cents, I think, if I recall right. These are really neat, and they're usually not found in the toy section, kind of in the wood section, so you have to dig through them and find them. I really like the stain on this one. It looked pretty cool, and it even fits in that bigger one. I think I paid like $1.99 for it, which isn't too bad. I've seen ones similar to this that had handles cut into the sides of them, which is pretty cool. I found this box there. It had some really nice wood that it was made from. It almost looks like it's supposed to be books or something, but it makes a neat chest. Who knows what you could find in something like that, but that wood is really pretty. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but it's really nice. I think it even had a lock of some sort, if it even worked. I also picked up this one, and it was probably one of these that you could buy at like a craft place or Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree usually has these for about $5, and they're not too bad. This one, the lid slides off. I found some that were actually made for tea that the lid slides off too, and they're pretty cool. They make a nice little addition to your wood crate collection. Dollar Tree has added a lot more to their stuff, including these wood crates that can be very useful. And also the wood pallets and stuff that they added to their thing, as well as this crafter's wood hanging fence section. If I add these to the ones I made in my other previous videos, I'll have a great collection. Anyways, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.